You may begin.
Madam Speaker, I get up this afternoon to make my first sectoral speech for my portfolio.
Hold on. Standing orders. And I think you are fully aware. And if I have to stop you again during your presentation, you will not get any additional time. No, and she knows.
Broken English. It's English, broken.
Standing order 6, page 3.
When I speak to this,
This is a representation on culture. It's not Spanish. That's Spanish.
Madam Speaker, here allow me to speak. A leader. Madam Speaker, perhaps I should abandon that attempt to use our local language because I have been reminded of the linguistic conventions of this honorable House. Because maybe there is no more fitting way to begin a presentation on culture than to speak briefly in the language understood by the overwhelming majority of Jamaican people. Even if that language still struggles for full acceptance in some of our most formal national spaces, including this very parliament. So let me give you the Queen's English. Let me give you the Queen's English. At the he has placed in me through this portfolio assignment. I also thank my parliamentary colleagues, my councillors, my constituency and personal team, and the many people who support the demanding work of representation and public service every single day. Public life is never carried by one person alone. And I especially want to thank my parents, Miss Fair and Pastor Burchell, for instilling in me from very early a deep love for Jamaica, a deep respect for people, right here, Roy, and a deep pride in our culture, particularly through faith, religion, community, and service.